Welcome to today's session on mastering essential skills for long-term business success. In this discussion, we will explore the pivotal role of skill development in achieving and sustaining growth, especially for those new to competitive industries such as real estate. Drawing on insights from successful business models and the experiences of industry veterans, we will delve into the hardest skill to master, but the one that pays off forever: knowledge and the ability to learn. Be sure and hit subscribe for us, and let's get started on our short but transformational list. The key skill for long-term success. Achieving sustained growth and success in any business requires more than just good intentions and hard work. It demands the mastery of fundamental skills and knowledge specific to your field. This essential skill, while difficult to acquire, can lead to significant long-term rewards. By learning from those who have already succeeded, deeply understanding your industry, and consistently refining your abilities, you can build a foundation that supports lasting success. Here are some key insights and strategies to help you on this journey. Assessing your current business viability. The first step is to determine if your current business model is viable. Look around to see if others in your industry are succeeding. If they are, then success is possible for you too. For example, tech startups. Consider companies like Airbnb and Uber. They entered saturated markets but succeeded by identifying specific needs and addressing them more effectively than their competitors. They didn't reinvent the wheel. They just made it turn smoother. Understanding the depth of required skills. Success in any industry demands a deep understanding of the required skills and value. It's not enough to perform basic tasks. One must master the nuances. For example, real estate. In the real estate industry, some agents excel while others struggle. The difference often lies in how well they understand client needs, market trends, and effective sales techniques. An agent who knows the market inside out and can predict trends will outperform one who just follows the basic steps. Learning from success stories. One of the most effective ways to fast-track your success is by learning from those who are already successful. Observe and replicate their methods before attempting to innovate. For example, sales techniques. A salesperson making $250,000 a month might handle client interactions differently than you would think to do so. They might follow a precise schedule, use a particular tone, or have a specific follow-up strategy. By studying these methods, you can identify what sets them apart and replicate it. The importance of deep knowledge and experience. Deep, hands-on experience and knowledge are irreplaceable. This involves putting in the hours, making mistakes, and learning from them. For example, fitness industry. Successful trainers often have years of experience. They understand client needs and program intricacies better because they've seen and adapted to countless scenarios. Their success isn't just about knowing exercises, but understanding how to tailor programs to individual clients. Building a strong foundation. Success is built on a strong foundation of skills and knowledge, developed over time through consistent effort and learning from both successes and failures. For example, entrepreneurship. Many successful entrepreneurs go through a period of intense effort and learning, akin to a rocky training montage, before they achieve significant success. This period is crucial for building the skills needed to excel. It's the hard, unglamorous work that lays the groundwork for future achievements. Let's review the practical steps for skill acquisition. 1. Observation and replication. Find successful individuals in your field and study their methods in detail. What exactly do they do differently? 2. Deep practice. Engage in hands-on practice and put in the necessary hours to build expertise. Consistent, deliberate practice is key. 3. Learn from mistakes. Both your own and others' mistakes can provide valuable lessons. Don't shy away from failure. Embrace it as a learning tool. 4. Seek mentorship. Work closely with experts in your field, even if it means starting in a lower position to gain valuable insights. For example, marketing. A marketer might spend years perfecting their craft by working on numerous campaigns, analyzing what works and what doesn't, and constantly refining their strategies. They might start with basic roles, gradually moving up as they gain more insights and skills. The value of repetition and mastery. Mastery comes from repeated practice and deep understanding. It's about putting in the time under the bar, as in fitness training, where consistent effort leads to strength and expertise. In conclusion, to achieve the success you desire, focus on building a strong foundation of skills through consistent effort and learning. Embrace the period of intense learning and practice, and you will set yourself up for long-term success. The marketplace recognizes and rewards those with genuine expertise and trench knowledge. Put in the time, learn from the best, and continually refine your skills. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.